merong kinasal. I believe yung anak niya na babae yung kinasal.
I believe it's Claudia.
Claudia yun, di ba? Oh, Claudia.
I
So,
think.
inimbitahan si Dennis. Pero, hindi si Dennis yung nag-walk through the aisle. Kasi di ba, like, in general, dapat yung tatay yung mag-walk sa aisle. Pero,
Yes.
hindi siya. I believe yung nanay ata yung nag-walk sa aisle. If I'm correct. Correct me if I'm wrong. Basta, hindi si Dennis yung nag-walk ng aisle. Tapos,
Mm.
ang ending, nag-run siya sa social media ata.
Yes.
Na parang, nagmukhang guess yung tatay. What the, what the, what the? So anyway, I'd like to know your thoughts about it.
Um, kasi, dapat naman talaga customary on a Filipino wedding na inilalakad ng tatay, inihahatid ng, hindi lang ng tatay, ng parents of the bride, yung bride, sa kanyang groom. It's a form of saying na we're handing the problem to you, ikaw na ala dyan, ikaw
Mm.
na problema dyan.
Oo.
May ganun.
Mm.
So, I think, sumama yung loob ni Dennis Padilla doon sa nangyaring yon na I think nagsabi pa siya na mas magugustuhan ko pa or mas magiging masaya pa ako if I wasn't invited at pumunta na lang ako bigla. I mean, tatay ka eh. Like, iimbitahin pa rin kita, sabi mo sa gusto. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, knowing na alam naman natin ang history ni Dennis Padilla it's kalat na kalat siya sa buong social media and alam naman sa mga hindi nakakaalam, and I don't mean this in a hard way, pero I think hindi siya naging like fatherly figure
Yeah. Mm.
sa kanyang mga anak. So, if I were a, if I were a girl and meron akong ganun tatay, I would do the same na kung sino man yung tumayong fatherly figure ko, whether tatay yan or stepfather or kuya or whoever, siya yung bibigyan ko ng karapatan or at karangalan na ihatid ako sa aisle. Kasi it's a very special moment para sa akin as a bride. Kung ako man yung bride, for example.
Mm.
It's a very special moment. Pero since he hasn't been the father that her kids want him to be, that was not the case do sa kasal ng Claudia. Kaya siguro ganun. My point is, don't expect too much if you know to yourself that you haven't been uh if you haven't met the standards or the expectations ng kung sino man.